Okay, now let us start the topic methods to prevent rusting. Okay, as you know, rusting causes damage to the economy. Right now, rusting causes damage to the iron articles like ships, and in order to repair that, obviously expenses are there right now. So what are the different methods to prevent rusting? First method is by painting. As I told you, there are two conditions that are required for the process of rusting. One is oxygen and second is water, right? So what painting does, it doesn't let oxygen or water or both to come in contact with the iron article. Suppose this is the iron article. Suppose this is the iron nail. Okay. If oxygen will come and water vapor which are present in the air, they will come. Then what will happen? It will get rusted. Right now. Now if you will paint it. Suppose. Now I had painted it, right? Now what will happen? Oxygen can't come in contact with the iron. Iron is inside. Outside there is a coating of paint. So painting doesn't let oxygen or water vapor to come in contact with the iron article, and hence it prevents rusting. Clear? Now second method is by greasing. Grease you might have seen right now. It works on the same procedure and principle as painting does. Greasing, again, it doesn't let oxygen and water vapor to come in contact with the iron article. Okay. Now, next method is galvanization. In this method, what we used to do, suppose this is the iron nail. This iron nail is covered with some other metal like zinc. Okay. So in this, suppose this is the iron nail. So it will be covered by zinc. Now it will not rust. Iron is inside and outside there is a coating of zinc. Now it will not rust. Clear? So galvanization means the process of depositing a layer of zinc. Okay? So the process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron articles is known as galvanization. Okay? Now, one thing you might have heard, stainless steel. You might be having stainless steel articles in your kitchen right now. So now what is stainless steel? Basically, in stainless steel, in order to make stainless steel, we mix carbon, some metals like chromium, okay, manganese, in iron. Iron alone cannot be used to make kitchen articles. Why? Because it easily gets rusted right now. So stainless steel is there. What we used to do? We used to take iron. In iron we used to mix a small amount of carbon and small amount of metals like chromium, okay, manganese, and in this stainless steel is made and it does not rust. Thank you.